Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something every WhatsApp user on PC will find useful: how to find all the received media in the brand new WhatsApp update. If you've ever struggled to locate photos, videos, or files that someone sent you, this new feature makes it easier than ever. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version because this update changes how media is organized inside the desktop app. Once it's open, look over to the left side menu. You'll notice a small media icon there. That's where the magic begins. Click on that media icon and you'll be taken to a neatly organized section that groups all your received files in one place. Here you'll see options to browse through different types of content, everything from images and videos to documents and more. Choose media from the available options. This is where you'll find all the photos and videos that have come through your chats. Now, if you want to take it a step further and organize things more precisely, there's a handy feature waiting for you. At the top of the window, you'll see a small sort icon. Click on it and you'll notice a few sorting choices appear. From that menu, scroll down and select Others. This option filters your view so you can find specific media that doesn't fall into the usual image or video categories, giving you complete control over what you see. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got access to all your received media right on WhatsApp for PC. No more endless scrolling through chats or searching manually. This update makes staying organized simple and quick, helping you focus on what matters: your conversations and shared moments. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips on the latest app updates and tech tricks made easy.